Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose a payment provider Shopify. Let's get started. So right now, what we need to do is we need to head over to our settings right here. And then from in there, just click on payment. So once you're in here, you should be able to see a lot of payment providers. First one includes PayPal. And in here, you can also choose this manual payment methods that allow you to do custom payment method, bank deposit, money order, or cash on delivery. So in here, if you click on this choose a provider, you will be able to see a lot of providers. Like for example, this agent payments, integrated UCPay, Ocean Payment, and when you scroll down, you can see a lot of things right here. So what you need to do is you need to open a new tab and search in here for Shopify Help Center. And in here, open the first link. And then in here, it will open in here a virtual assistant that can actually help you. And you can ask this anything. So for example, let's say something like, I want to sell something, or you want to sell products from Mexico. Which payment provider is best? So you can ask something like that in here. So once you actually have everything in order, just click on this right here in order to send it. And as you can see, it will actually show you some resources that you can use in order to sell products on a specific country. You need to make sure that you have this. So in here, you can see this. You can use Shopify payments, accept various cards like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. You can check out the Shopify payments for Spain for more details. So they will provide you a link, and in here you can just click on that specific link in order to see this. And here you can see the requirements, businesses, all of these things right here. And in here you can see also the accepting payments. So in here it will depend on your card rate, but as you can see, businesses in Spain accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Union Pay, debit card, credit card, as well as these things right here. So you just need to find a provider that actually supports Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Union Pay. So let's head over again to our first tab, and in here just choose which one is applicable to you. As you can see, a lot of payment providers offer those three right here. So just choose which one you want. For me, I'll just choose Agent Payments. Once you have click on it, it will ask you to install it. So click on install. Then once you have clicked on install, it will load for a while in order for you to integrate this specific payment provider on your Shopify. Click on install again. And in here, it will integrate it again, and you will be able to authorize this everything. Make sure to authorize with Agent right here in order to receive payments through this payment provider. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.